Hey everyone, how you doing? So, as you know, if you've seen my last video, you know that I am now in Danang. And I've been here just a little bit under a month. And when I came here, this is the apartment I came to. So I thought I would do a video tour, another video tour. People seem to like these, so let's do more. Okay, so for this place here, I'm paying 4.5 million Vietnamese dong, which is, I didn't check, but I think it's just under $200 US. I think like 190, I think, or about 250 Canadian. So for the price, it's pretty incredible. Check this out. Look at the apartment. I mean, look at the decor. It's just really, really nice looking. Well done, well done. Okay, so here in the kitchen, as you can see, right, it looks nice. You've got a nice size fridge. You've got the kitchen table and the two chairs. That red chair is what came, you know, in front of the computer station. I'll show you in a minute. But that red chair doesn't really belong in the kitchen. I just put it here because I had to buy my own chair. I'll get back to that in a second. Anyway, lots of cupboard space. You've got microwave. You've got a 2-burner stovetop, which is IH, right? Induction heating. Yeah, lots of shelf space, lots of cupboard space. It comes with a few, you know, kitchen utensils and eating utensils like knives, forks, spoons, a couple of ladles, I think, or a ladle, I'm not sure. You know, chef knife, scissors, that kind of thing. So it comes with a few of the basics, a couple of plates, a couple of bowls. It's not complete. If you want to do a lot of cooking, you're going to have to buy your own utensils. But if you're here for a few days, you've got plenty to just heat something up and eat it. That toaster oven is mine. That doesn't come with the apartment. So not everything you see is part of the apartment, but pretty close to it. Pretty close to it. So that's the kitchen area. And this is the bedroom area. Looks really nice. I like it. You got the air conditioner up there. Nice quiet type, and it works well. You've got a nice big king size bed, right? The linens that they provide are good. That's one thing in Vietnam. Most places provide good, comfortable cotton linens. Here you got a nice big TV, a little area there to work on your computer. I mean, that chair, by the way, is mine. That doesn't come with the apartment, and that's what I was talking about when I was talking about the red chair earlier. So normally you would get the plastic chair, as that chair is coming with me. Okay, so let's have a look at the bathroom. Pretty nice looking bathroom. You got, of course, your sink, your toilet. Got some shelf space for your stuff, which is nice to have. Here we have the shower, which is partially enclosed, not fully. So you do get a little bit of splash, you know, down here, but that's okay. I just put a towel down to clean up that. And then if you go through the shower, you've got your washing machine right here. So that's the apartment. And I guess a couple of things worth mentioning is water's free. Electricity is 3,500 Vietnamese dong per kilowatt hour, which is like 15 cents US, somewhere around there. So you'll have to pay that on top of your rent, but unless you're at home using your electricity all day long and your aircon is on all day long, it's only a few bucks. You know, it'd be anywhere between, I'd say, $30 a month to $75 a month, depending on how long you're at home and how much you use your aircon. Aside from that, it is located a bit far from the whole expat area where all the restaurants and bars are. Maybe like a 20 to 30 minute walk, depending how fast you walk. So if you want to be, you know, near that area, then this place is a bit far. But if you want to be away from that area, then this might be what you're looking for. There aren't a lot of convenience stores in the area. There is one, Vinmart Plus, and they're pretty good. You know, you can get basic groceries there and everything else. So yeah, that's this apartment. I hope I have shown you everything I need to show you. And if you have any questions, then feel free to ask. Leave them in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer you as soon as I can. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.